Hello everyone. I don't normally do this kind of video, but since I couldn't find any similar one on YouTube, I thought I might as well do one myself. What I have here is a 2019 Honda CBR500R, and I'll be putting a brand new exhaust made by Scorpion from UK onto the bike. And the reason why there are not that many this kind of video is because the bike is so new. So most of the major aftermarket exhaust company they haven't made one for the 2019 model yet. They have one for 2018, 2017, 2016, but just not 2019, right? I called Yoshimura, they don't have it, or at least not yet, right? And I also called Two Brothers, they don't have it. So it seems like the only company that made one is the Scorpion from UK. So first thing first, I will be doing a sound test, show you what the sounds like from the stock exhaust, and then I'll be doing the unboxing and then move on to the installation, and then we'll do a final sound test. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see that I have my other cell phone there. It's showing right now it's about 50 dB, and let's turn it on and see. So right now engine is at idle, so as you can see, yeah, it's about 72. So let me rev it up to 4,000. So it still stays around like 72, 73, okay? So let me rev up to a bit higher to say 6,000. Okay, so there you go. So it seems like when it's at the idle, or even if I rev it up, it's around like 75 dB. Okay, so let's move on to the actual unboxing. Oh, it's so hard to get it open. There we go. Oops. Here is the menu or installation instruction. So here is the exhaust. Let me put it gently. And meat pipe. Let's see what else is in there. Okay, that's it. So let's open up the meat pipe. So here's the meat pipe. Looks very nice. And let's look at the exhaust. Let's cut it. There we go. There you go. This is the exhaust. Beautiful. It's pretty light. And I guess this is the silencer, which I will be leaving it in. Or not, we'll see. Okay. And let's see what's in there. As you can see, it's all dated in 2019 July 31st, so it's fairly new. Let's see. So look at the bolt. This and this and this. Okay, so here's the instructions. I'm sure you can download it off Scorpion's website. But yeah, here's the instructions. Okay. So basically what we need to do is we need to remove the bolts from here and here. So here are the factory exhausts. So like I said, you remove this bolt. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, there. Remove this bolt, and another one right here. So that's it. That's the factory exhaust. And let's move on to put the aftermarket one in. So after we put it in, tighten this out a bit. Make sure we can still wiggle it. Good. And then let's put on the exhaust. And we still need the bolt right here. So just put it in, and we just need to do some wiggling. There we go. And sorry, there we go. Better angle. I think here is it. There we go. So it looks like this. You just have to twist it a bit and make sure it's in the right place so we can lock it. Okay, so I've tightened out the bolt in here, and tighten out the bolt in here, and now we just put this on there too, one at the top, one at the bottom. I don't think you guys can be able to see that, but this rubber part also engraved scorpions, which is pretty neat. So we have tightened out the bolt in here, and tighten up the bolt in here, and also put the this link, and just wiggle it around, make sure it's pretty tight. Yeah, it's pretty tight. Okay, that's good. That's it. So I decide to take the silencer out. So there's just this screw. It's right in this place. So it was like this. So basically you just unscrewed it, and then you can take the silencer out. There you go. That's the silencer, and that was the screw where it goes into. So kind of like this. Okay. Alright, so that's what it looks like on the side. On the back. Okay, so let's do a sound test now. Okay, so right now it's about 50. Let me just turn this up. Okay, so let's turn it on. Not sure if you can see that, but let's see. Now sometimes it hits about 80, 75, 76. Seems like a couple dB more. Let's crank it up to 3,000. 4,000. Okay, there you have it. It's not really not that much louder based on the dB testing from my phone. So anyway, there you have it. Okay guys, as you can see, it's getting dark now. So what I end up doing after I shot the last video is I put some NTCs in there, just because. And I've also decided to put the silencer back in because I find it seems like the bike is running a little bit lean, so I decided just to put the bike to put the silencer in. So I saw it would be a good idea to do another just to show you guys what the bike sounds like with the silencer put it in, and it actually doesn't sound that much of difference. So right now, as you can see, not sure if you can see that, but oops, right now the it's about like 50 dB. It should be a little bit quiet now because it's evening, but anyway, so let's start the bike. So it's about 70, 78. So then not that much of difference. So let me rev it up. So it's really not that much of difference. Yeah. Anyway, so there you have it.